What I'm going to show you today is how to make charred cloth, and the reason why we do this is if you're in a survival situation, it's really good to have in your pack to get a quick fire like that. So all you need is some sort of metal container, a knife. The reason why we need a knife is to pierce a hole in the top of your metal container, and some material which is 100% cotton. So this is good to do before you go out in the field and carry in your pack. What we do now is we put the cotton in the metal container. There's ways you can do this. You could strip it down, you can cut it up, make it into small pieces. For quick demonstration purposes, I'm just putting it straight in there, and then all I'm going to do now is put the lid on. Once the lid's on, all I'm going to do is stick on the fire, and I'm just cooking it. That's all I'm doing, cooking it. I use a big tin to make big batches of this. If you are actually out in the field, you can use a small survival tin which you carry on you. As you can see now, it's cooking. Where I put the hole at the top of the tin, it's all producing loads of smoke. Once this happens, this is our cue to take the tin off the fire. That's it now, I've pulled it off the fire. Fire is still burning, and what I'm going to do is pop it out, and that is it. Charred cloth. And I can turn this into little strips, and I can carry that into my kit. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a strike on this. So I've got my charred cloth here, like what I've cooked in the tin, and this is what I'll use, what I'll normally carry with me now in the field so I can get a fire going easily. And all this takes is one spark. Look at that, straight away. And now that's smouldering. So if I add some dry grass, cotton wool, birch bark, I can put that straight into my tinder bundle and get a fire straight away. Really good tool to carry on you at all times. Easy to make, like you just seen. But let me know what you think anyway.